please join me over here. Hi there. Good to see you again. Congratulations on Kumandong.
Hello everyone. I hope you guys can support Kumandong. Thank you so much for joining us at premiere night. And titignan pa lang sa mga bahay. Hi everyone. I hope you guys can support Kumandong. Bukas na pa ang opening day. Maraming salamat. Enjoy the film.
Hi. Of course, July 3 showing in cinemas nationwide. And also what's special about the film? You also shot abroad, di ba, Derek?
Yes, 90% of the film was shot in Thailand. So kung gusto nyo matakot, kung gusto nyo isama buong barangay, gusto nyo isama si nanay, si lola, mga kaibigan, sama nyo na po. This is the film para sa inyo. Maraming salamat.
Okay, maraming salamat, Derek. So please stay there for a little bit. We'll just have fun. Okay. Now, come on. Right, so there. Okay, we have photos here. Alright, so let's just chat a little bit, non-direct. So bakit Kumandong?
Everyone, I feel like everyone loves a horror genre. And ito yung equivalent na, kumbaga sa Pinoy, meron tayong tiyanak. Pero sa Thailand naman, meron silang Kumandong. Pero iba, medyo may pagkakaiba sila. And it's an ancient Thai ritual na nilalagay namin dito sa Pilipinas for everyone to enjoy. So I really do hope that you guys can support the film and watch.
Yeah, so do you have any other upcoming shows or do you have any screenings of the movie that you would like to promote as well?
That's about it. I think July 3, that's tomorrow, correct? Or 2 days? No, that's
2 days.
tomorrow. 2 days, yes. 2 days from now. July 3, opening day ng Kumandong in Cinemas Nationwide.
Lovely. Maraming salamat, Terexia. So we will see you up there. Thank you so much. Yes. Alright, because we're calling in. Okay. Sige. So there we have it. Hello, Cindy. Okay, so that's me sitting here. Okay. So what would you like to say to everybody who came here to support the premiere?
Okay, excellent. Thank you so much for having me tonight. I really was amazing. Thank you. Good to see you.
And of course, Cindy. Sawadee Hello, everyone. Magandang po sa inyo lahat. Salamat po sa pagpunta sa amin. Enjoy lang po Kumandong. We can't wait you to watch Kumandong. Sobrang thank you sa oras na binigay mo sa amin. Salamat dahil I think katulad namin very excited na po tayong lahat manood ng Kumandong. Of course, that's Lexi, that's
especially I'd like to take this time to check. Yeah, habang busy pa si Max at si Cindy, I'd like to take this time to say maraming salamat. Thank you everyone for gracing this event. Thank you for gracing the premiere night at kasama rin namin ang mga bida. This is their night.
Hello po sa inyo lahat! Hello po! Great, we also have here joining us Cindy Miranda, Max Hata po! Alright, Cindy and Max, please do invite everybody to watch your movie when it comes out. Starting with Cindy. Hi everyone! Again, thank you for being here. We're so excited na para mapanood niyo ang Kumanto. Sana sabihin niyo sa family niyo, sa friends niyo after niyo mapanood tonight ng Kumanto. Thank you again. Thank you.
Mabuhay!
And for having me. So, yeah, I want to be here tonight with you guys and please support us. Thank you.